Welcome to this comprehensive guide on Axie Infinity NFT Rarity tiers, where we will break down the step-by-step process of understanding and identifying the different rarity levels of Axies. To begin, Axie Infinity is a popular blockchain-based game where players can collect, breed, and battle creatures known as Axies, which are represented as unique NFTs. Each Axie has its own distinct characteristics, including rarity, which plays a significant role in determining its value and utility within the game. The rarity of an Axie is determined by its body parts, with each part having its own rarity level. The rarity levels in Axie Infinity are classified into 4 tiers, including common, uncommon, rare, and mythic. Common parts are the most abundant, while mythic parts are the rarest. Here is a step-by-step breakdown of how to determine the rarity of an Axie. First, identify the 6 body parts of the Axie, which include the eyes, ears, mouth, horn, back, and tail. Next, determine the rarity of each part, which can be found on the Axie Infinity website or through online resources. Then, calculate the total number of rare and mythic parts to determine the overall rarity of the Axie. As a general rule, Axies with more rare and mythic parts are considered more valuable and powerful. For example, an Axie with 2 mythic parts and 2 rare parts would be considered highly rare and valuable, while an Axie with only common parts would be less desirable. In addition to understanding the rarity tiers, it is also important to consider other factors such as the Axie's stats, breed count, and genetic traits. These factors can all impact the Axie's performance in battle and its overall value within the game. In conclusion, understanding the Axie Infinity NFT rarity tiers is crucial for players looking to collect, breed, and battle Axies. By following these steps and considering all the relevant factors, players can make informed decisions and build a strong and valuable collection of Axies. Whether you are a seasoned player or just starting out, this guide has provided you with the knowledge and tools you need to navigate the world of Axie Infinity and succeed in this exciting and dynamic game.